Hello my gorgeous beautiful people, it's Odette. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, for coming back, for tuning in, for clicking on this video, for spending some time with me today. Thank you guys so much. If it's your first time coming across my channel, welcome. Happy New Year to you. Thumbs up, subscribe, make sure your notification is turned on. You will be notified every time I do a video. This channel is mostly skincare, but I do the other odd things in between as well, but it's mostly about skincare. And of course, if you are interested in all about skincare, starting a skincare journey, stick with your girl, I got you, okay? And so today we're going to talk about the Microdermabrasion face polish from Elizabeth Grant. I introduced this to you guys. As a matter of fact, I reintroduced this to you guys on Wednesday, and we did go through some of the products that I got in that kit. And one of the things we're going to be using today is the Microdermabrasion face polish. And when it comes to microdermabrasion, guys, do your own research. I'm not going to tell you what to do because you know what your skin needs better than I do. Some microdermabrasion products are really, really harsh for your skin. Some of them are just absolutely horrible. Some of them are really gentle. This is one of those gentle microdermabrasion face polish, and we are going to use this today. So this is the product. Hope you guys can see it. It's a full-size product, good size tub, again, from Miss Elizabeth Grant. Okay, so we're just going to open this quickly right now. And again, this is it right here. And we are going to use some of the product from the cover. But first, I do have a little bit of water right here. So I'm just going to damp my face a little bit. Just pretend I'm out of the shower. Okay, there was just no... There was no rules to applying microdermabrasion, but this is what I do. Okay, and so we do have some of the product in the cover, and I do have my little one. And again, guys, a little bit of this. Do you see what I do have on here? I'm going to put this on my hand so you guys can actually see it better. This is all you need. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. And again, you know what? And I have a feeling this is probably a little bit too much, but that's okay. So I'm now going to massage this all over my skin. This microdermabrasion polish has the gentlest little beads on it. Of course, avoid the eye area. And it's not harsh on the skin. It is very gentle, very, very mild. And you don't have to keep this on your skin for very long. Just gently massage this all over your face. Again, guys, a little bit goes a long way, okay? Because we are giving our skin a very gentle polish right now. And what I like to do is I just like to go over the lips as well. And this is massaged all over my face. That took, what, maybe 60 seconds. So if you give me 1 minute, I'm just going to go rinse this off. And I'm going to come right back. Okay, so this is my skin after I have rinsed off the microdermabrasion face polish. My face feels really soft. It's not irritated. It's not dry. It doesn't feel like it's pulling. It doesn't feel like it's cracking. It feels really nice, soft, and very, very smooth. I'm coming really close so you guys can see what my skin looks like. It feels amazing. And so the next step I'm going to do right now after my microdermabrasion, I'm going to go in with my Sephora micellar water. If you're not using this, something is definitely wrong with you. Okay. So we're going to use a little bit of this, and I'm just going to just wipe my face down. And again, always be very gentle with your skin. Don't be doing all of this heavy massaging and rubbing all over your face. Very, very, very gentle, okay? Because of course, we know the skin around the face is very, 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 very sensitive. Okay, and there we go. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a Fenty Beauty Fat Water, which is a toner. And I'm doing this for a reason, because I do have a stubborn pimple. You may not be able to see it. It's just sitting right there, and that lady's gotta go. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little bit of this, not too much. And again, I always like to buy the sample size of this, and I'm just going to gently rub this over that pimple, because girlfriend, she's gotta go. Okay, and just around where that pimple is, and then that's it. So next we are going to go in with my Holy Hydration from e.l.f. And I'm just going to wipe my wand down, and I'm going to take a little bit of this on my hand. I love this eye cream. It is so good, and it feels, and you know what though, hang on for a second guys, this is too much. I don't need all of that around my eyes. It's just a little bit of these things is what you need, guys. My eyes is not that big. I only have 2, right? So why do I need so much? So under the eyes and around the eyes as well. And we are just going to sort of a massage and tap at the same time. But we're not going to be pulling too much. We're just going to do a gentle massage. And then we are going to go in with the Collagen Reinforced Serum from Elizabeth Grant. So we are going to put, again, a little bit of this on the back of my hand. Just a little bit is what you need. And this goes all over the face. And we're just going to massage this in. And don't forget the center of the nose as well. And that is our serum on. And then the last step, we are going to go in with the Collagen Advanced Facelift Day Cream. And of course, we're just going to open this up. And again, back to my wand, I'm going to put a little bit of this back of the hand. So I'm doing this at the back of my hand so you guys can see exactly how much product you need. And I'm going to tell you something, ladies. These products are going to last you a very, very long time. So let's just put on this Lift Day Cream. And we're just going to massage this all over the face. Okay, and this is my face completely done. Again, I'm coming really close so you guys can see my skin. My skin feels beautiful, soft, plump, firm. If you can stick your hands through that camera and feel my face right now, you would not believe it. My face feels so good. And so the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with some lip oil. This is like a lip shine. And this is from, hang on, my hands are a little bit greasy. This is from Essence, and we're just going to put on a little bit of lip oil today. And that's it. So we're just going to take our fingers and rub that in. Okay, my lovelies, here we are. My face is done using the Microdermabrasion face polish from Miss Elizabeth Grant. And again, if you can stick your hands through that camera and feel my face is plump. It feels hydrated. It feels moisturized. It feels lifted. It feels so good. It does not feel dry, or it doesn't feel like it's gonna crack. It doesn't feel harsh or anything like that. My skin feels amazing. And again, if you're planning on getting this product, use a very little bit of this, and a very little goes a long way. Okay, and I am just using this probably maybe once or twice a month just for maintenance, maybe twice a month, maybe 3 times. We'll see how it goes. And of course, yeah, my skin feels and looks really, really good. Again, I'm gonna come really close so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm going to leave everything that I use on my face today in the description box below. We are going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I also hope that you pick up 1 or 2 tips as well from this video, because I want you guys to feel inspired whenever you watch my videos and to pick up 1 or 2 skincare tips as well. Okay. I appreciate you watching this video so much today. You cannot even begin to imagine. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to leave all of these products in the description box for you. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. Toodles.